Well, everyone, today once again we have just gathered here to discuss about the topic. The today's topic is government job versus private job. First of all, I want to tell you to all that we are just making and doing such types of classes because we have only one motive: how to make communication skill well. That's why we have just gathered here. So today there are two teams. You can just see that the girls team, they are just supporting of government job, and the boys team, they are just supporting of private job. Okay, so let's start from the girls. How the government job is good for us?
Government job is good because it's give more facility compared to private job, and nowadays we know that government job is very demanding and everybody wants to get the government job, and it gives the monthly high amount of salary, and also monthly to monthly salary is increased. So government job is good compared to private job.
Very nice.
Okay, you say that in the government job the salary is increased month by month. Okay, but I think in the government job the salary is not increased month by month, but in the private job there's a higher salary income is available. Also there's a fast career growth is available in the private job. I think in the private job there's also high salary and many facilities also given. That's why private job is good.
But in government job there is also very high salaries like 4 to 5 lakh, and in IS officers job when anyone is promoting in cabinet secretary post, then they have salary of 4 to 5 lakhs.
Okay, you say about a cabinet secretary about 4 to 5 lakhs. Also, if you be a CEO for in a private job, like your salary is about like 10 to 20 lakhs is also goes higher, and higher to higher it goes. So I think in the private sector there's much money available.
In the government job, there is job security, which is a very good. But in the private job, when the company goes down in the loss, the CEO will fire you. But in the government sector, your job is fixed.
I don't agree with your point because you know about the big company don't go in a loss because they have a good mindset. That's why according to me private job is good.
I'm not agree with your point. Like in the COVID-19 time, you can also see that many companies go in the loss, and most of the people who are in the private sector lost their job. But in the people who are doing the government job, they don't get fired because government job has the fixed job and they have job security.
I agree, but the government don't give their salary in the COVID-19.
I don't think so, but because they don't give the accurate salary, but they give the money to the employees because they thought about the government employees. But in the private job, they fire the employees and don't give any salary. And in the COVID-19, there are so many people who lost their job and goes to depression, and so many things happen in the COVID-19, and this happened with the government private sector's employees.
But you know about the work from home. Many people do work from home, and the company give higher salary to the jobbers.
I don't think so that they give the higher salary to the employees because I know that they are doing work from home, but also they are doing work from home, but they don't get the proper salary. And in the government job, government think about the employees, and they also give the money to the employers.
How can you say that in private jobs can't give your not a higher salary? In private sectors, you in gives a minimum in higher to higher salary in crores, not in lakhs. But in government jobs, it's I thought it's only gives you in income in lakhs, not in crores.
But in government job, the employees give money time to time. But in private job, the employees give money not time to time. So I think government job is much more better.
How can you say that in private jobs income is not time to time? Because this is settled by the systems. All times income is come in monthly, not in 2 months, 3 months. That's like.
But according to your job and your personality and development, so the government honor increase your price and salary according to your.
Okay, you said like a promotion.
Yeah.
But I thought in comparing to government jobs, in private jobs, in less time your promotion is greater.
But I think that in the government job we have much respect in the society than the private job, because if anyone asks us that which job we are doing, then if we say that we are doing the government job, then they respect us more than the private job.
So you said like a respect. So nowadays people can't say which type of do he do. He say what it's earning money, how much he earn money. It's nowadays it's your respect on the basis of you earn money in lakhs, in crores.
But society see your job, not your money, because most of the people see that he or she is doing the government job, then he is good, and they respect more than the private jobbers.
I'm not agree with your point, but because in today's time people see money or your assets, what you have. If you have a bungalow or a luxury car like BMW, Audi, Mercedes type, then people don't want to know what is your job. They only see your assets, none other things.
I want to mention someone like an example I also gave you, like a Jio's Mukesh Ambani. He can't say what he do job. He is only see how much he earn money.
This is a business.
This is a business.
It's not a private job.
Yeah.
Yes, not. Given. This is business, not private
Yes.
job. This is difference. Yeah.
Okay, I'm agree with your point, like, but I'm talking about
Yes.
all the private jobs, like the private sector, in the teachers, in the doctor, in the nurses, but they don't have that much salary compared to the government job. In the all sector of the government jobs, like the teacher, like the doctor, they all have much salary than the private sector jobs. You're only talking about the CEOs. Not yes, I'm agree with that they get the 10 lakh, 12 lakh, I'm agree with that, but I'm talking about all the jobs.
Okay, I agree with your point, but also in private sector, people have a good dressing sense, best communication skills comparison to government job peoples.
I'm agree with that, but it's depend on the people. In the government job also, the people have a good good dressing sense. Like in the IAS officer, they have a good dressing sense, and also they have the knowledge, and also like the IAS, IPS, they have to do preparation for 3 to 4 years and much more than they get the job.
But you said about lower job like teachers and etc. jobs. If you say about IS or IPS officers, then there are more employees in private sector also, which have higher income than IS or IPS. They also get home in other country when they go for any trip or etc. things.
Yeah, you said about that teachers and the doctors. So teachers and doctors have also fixed hour, and nowadays also government give attention to the schools, hospitals to increase the quality of the hospitals, teachers, and nowadays also in the government schools there are so many facilities are available than compared to the private schools.
But we are talking about the job, not about the facility that are given by the government in the schools. Like government jobbers, so what they get. Also, you are talking about the salaries of the government jobs, like teachers. Like facilities in the schools, like for children also, and like teachers they get salary only, and like a shelter they get provided. But in the like salary you say about like a higher salary, they has much salary. Also a government teacher job, like who is doing, like they have like 20 to 30,000 in the starting price. And also if we see like some private teachers who is just coaching the students, okay, like a private teachers, it also get like 20 to 30,000 if they want.
In government teachers, they have salary more, like 40 to 45.
And government teachers have the fixed hour than compared to the private.
You said like in government teachers, it's a salary is fixed, but it's a salary is fixed only limited time. But in private sectors, it's also salary fixed in private time. It's more time he do job, but he's also doing a side work like a private coachings. In two sides he earn money. And you say that like government teachers, he also do in private sectors coaching.
Yeah. So what is the difference?
What is
I want to mention some point. In government job, you earn the money very long time compared to private job, and very long time and and get the very high price. sorry,
High salary.
high salary.
I don't agree with your point because you know about the government teachers and etc. Who are doing jobs. They are limited jobs, and you know about the private sector peoples have a unlimited time. They want to do job in compared to government jobbers. They do job long time and earn more money compared to the government jobbers.
I don't think that, because in the private sector they have to do the overtime work, but in the government jobs sector they don't have to do the overtime and they get the higher salary.
But I don't think that, because you know about the HR, the software engineer, they earn more money and they have a limited time. 7 to 8 hours they work and they earn more money compared to the government jobbers.
I don't think that, because in the government sector the salary is higher than the private sector jobs.
In which
In every sector, like in the teacher, like in the doctor.
but you know about the doctors. Doctor salary is much 50 to 60,000. But you know about the private sector like software engineer and CEO and HR. They are earn more money compared to the doctors and teachers.
You are only talking about the CEOs and the other things. I'm talking about all the things, like there are many sector jobs. You are only talking about CEOs.
As she said that private sector employees are work more than government peoples, but as I know, in government policies, all sectors, government or private, they have to work only 8 hours. Am I right, sir?
Yeah.
Then it's depend on the person who want to work more and earn more money. Okay.
In private jobs, they earn only money when they are doing the job. But in government job, after job they give pension to all jobbers.
Nice point.
Okay, I agree with your point, but in private sector, they earn that much money. They don't want to get after retirement. They earn money in their life.
Like after the job, we don't know how about the situation will goes. But like the government jobbers have the pension, then they can balance the situation by their pension. But what about the private sector jobbers? They don't have any type of pension, and after the job, what will they do if any situation comes?
Okay, I agree with your point, but private jobbers know how to invest money in bestest way. Okay, they first see their future is settled or not.
I don't think it's depend on the people. Not all the private sector jobbers will save the money and invest in the right things. Many people are there that they invest their money on the bad things, and when the bad situation came, they don't have any type of money.
After the marriage, all private people invest money because they want to settle their life.
I don't think many people are there in India also. They invest their money on the cars, on the bar, and many things.
They also see their children's future. They also want to settle their future and want to live a happy life.
I'm agree with that. I'm not declining it, but I'm saying about the all people. Not all people do these type of things. Many people invest in the bad things, and when the bad situation came, they don't have any type of money and they will go in the depression.
Okay, I agree with you, but in pension, they only get 5 to 10K. But in future, I'm not agree with that 10 to 15.
Like if a person is if a person's salary is 50K, then after the pension it gets halves. Am I right, sir? 25K.
Okay, I agree with your point. But after that pension, their elder children or grandsons misuse their pensions. They fool their grandparents and take their all pensions.
It's depend. Not all the grandchildren do these type of things, and also the pension is also getting higher. I heard about the DA, like it's increase your pension every year, like 3% DA, 4% government do these type of things.
Okay, I agree with your point, but I've seen almost all the peoples are waste their grandparents' pension because they don't get any job, because students' time competition is very high. They don't get any job and they survive in their pension.
I think it's depend on the manners. Yes, okay, it's, you can't say every grandchildren will do this type of thing. I have also seen in my house, my grandparents get the pension very high, about 40k plus, and I'm not misusing the money.
Okay, you are in teenage, but after that, when you are
No, in my
if you
house,
want to
it's
get
also
any
other
job,
cousins.
if you are want to get any job, you didn't get any job, what will you do? If you want to survive in other, if you go in other country or other state, you want to get job, but you are not getting job. At
So
that time, you are wasting their money.
That time the grandchildren ask their grandparents to help them, and that time the pension will give you too much help, very much help. Like you can buy the pension, you can more study, you can get education, and then you can find another job.
Okay, I agree with your point. Okay, you said that about 50k, when who is earning 50k, his salary is half in pension. Also in private job, who are earning above 50k, then his job is better. Okay, then he will also get a pension by the private company.
No, I'm not agree with that. Private company don't give you pensions.
But it gives lot of facilities to you.
Like what type of facilities?
Like he gives you home, just like water, as extra things.
And just like in government job, they will give you the shelter and the healthcare opportunities in the government job.
Okay, I agree with the point. But if a person earning above 50k or 1 lakh in private sector, then he know how to trade. He trade or invest money.
In the government sector also, there are a lot of people who are just getting 1 lakh out of above things. They also know how to do trade.
Do you want to say? No. Lakshmi, do you want to say? Aarti? Yes. Other points, if you have?
Yes, sir. In the government job, like there are fixed time hours, and I think in government job, our job will be secure. And there is, if you get a government job, then your life secure. But in the private job, job is not secure, and that's the reason most of the people nowadays going to the government jobs, not the private jobs. If they don't get the government job, then they go to the private job.
Okay, first of all about the time, like Aditya bhaiya clarify you, like the time is fixed for every government sector and government job and private job. And about the job security, okay, you know about the metro city people, so who is doing like private jobs, like they know in the private jobs there's much money as compared to the government job, and if they want they can also fix the money in the bank, and the bank give them like some interest about it after the retirement or after any plan.
But in the government jobs, government people have the pension, and also they have more pension, and they can secure their life for their generation. So I think government job people have the more facilities or more career opportunity for their children and so many things.
Okay, you say about the pension that comes like about she say about like 20k and 25k, like about half. Okay, and I'm saying about if we want we can invest, and the bank give us some interest on it. It will increase like year by year or like month by month. It will increase.
But in the government jobs also there are so many people who think about their future, and they also invest their money.
You say about think about future. They are also getting government job. They know we get pensions. So.
But not all the people think that we only depend on a pension, because if they have children, then
So-
they also think about their future.
Also they are like if you are talking about like futures, okay, then he or she knows I am doing government job, okay, I get pensions. But in the private jobs they do know like I have a salary is higher, but I will have to invest some money for the future because I don't get a pension any. If I invest money, I will get money after the retirement, like as much.
I'm not agree with your point, because it's depend on the people's thinking that what their mindset is.
Okay, you say about mindset, and you say about like private like job, like who is doing invest money in the bars and others. You say about, so it also depend on the mindset of the people. Not every people do in the private sector.
Yes,
Job.
I'm agree with your point.
So why you say about it like jobbers done bar and etc things?
It's another point. I'm talking about the
Like you also say about the mindset, like people what you do.
Yeah.
in government job there is many bank managers. They know how to invest and how much the interest they claim.
I agree, but they don't. They know in the after the some time I retire, then pension, government give pension, and the private jobbers also know the private don't give me to pension. They invest their money in the big like companies like mutual funds, SIP. They do done that, and in future times they are increase, and in like his son and daughters give the money to the mutual funds and big companies.
And you said that like invest. Sorry, but I'm not angry with the point, because in private sectors it's mindset like a businessman. It's a know how to invest money and how to earn so much money by the help of investing. So private sector's job is good because people how to know invest money.
But bank managers work her whole life in banks work. They know how to invest.
You said like in government job people say all life he say how to invest money. So in private sectors also people say seen how to is you invest money and how to develop our company. So it's can't invest.
You want to say? Why no? You want to say?
I mentioned some point.
Yes, you she wants to say also. Yeah.
You know about the private banks also are present. Many people invest their money in private banks, and you know about private bank is secure compared to the government banks, because you listen that the many thief and the hackers hack the banks. Then how can you say that the bank is secure?
I don't think so. In a government bank, nowadays the security is very
But you know about the government take the security only 1 to 2 people, and you know about the private bank owner in the ATM and bank many staffs are present and many security like
in a government bank also many staffs are present.
But when
as Shivam said that many people invest in private sector because as I know SBI is a government bank, and it is scammed 2 to 3 times. I think more than 5 crore it is scammed in the SBI bank. As I know, one of the famous celebrity Vijay Mallya, who scammed 900 crore in SBI, and also a diamond jeweler who is also scammed 500 crore. I don't know his name, but I've listened about it. That's why people are interested in private sector more than government sector to invest.
You only take the example of SBI bank, but I don't think so every government bank is scam.
You go and search in Google. More of the people interested who invest money in HDFC Bank, which is a private bank, not in government bank.
Okay, PTC. Well, while listening the themes, I would like to say something to all. Actually, as I have just noticed to the students, while speaking, which types of mistakes has been done by you. So I have to say that will be very good for you also. Okay. First, we have to think, what is this? Mic. Okay. We have to know that how to catch the mic also. While as I noticed to the students that when they are speaking, at that time sometimes their handling style is working more. As I noticed to the yes also, sometimes you also, when you are just speaking at that time, today you have done also same the mistakes. When you are speaking, when you are more excited to speak, at that time you forget that where is my mic. That means, yes, I can say that like as the mic is going on. So this is one of the class also about the personality development class. Means we have to know that how we are catching the mic. how we are talking. While talking, our handling style is working. Our body language is working. Sometimes I heard that some legs are also working like that here and there, and he is also doing like thuk thap thuk as conditions are getting there. So this is the mistakes of here. Okay, because whenever you will just go to any interview, sure and certain, having seen your that activities, they will reject you. Okay, so you have to think about it while speaking. Don't shake your mic properly. You have to take your mic. Okay, and some students I have just noticed that when they are speaking at the time, the sound quality are not too good. Think about that. Here is a mic, that's why the camera is also capturing your sounds. But just think about that. If the mic is not present, I don't think so that the sound will be captured by you. So speak loudly. If interviewer can't hear your sound, do you think that he will just give you a job or she will give you a job? I don't think so that. Right now, so you are speaking so slowly. I want to say you that. Hello. You have to speak at the top of loudly. Okay, because confidence you can get having showing your sound. Okay, so next time I'll just think you that you have to speak good sounds. Don't shake your mic. Fine.